Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and welcome to my next tutorial. We are going to be creating the floral egg candy holder. This is a very fun, colorful project you can make for Easter. You can either use these on your table settings or even put in the Easter baskets to give little goodies for Easter. Let's get started and create our floral egg candy holder. First, we're going to take the candy and put it in the candy holder or ornament half, and we're going to take the bottom layer and put it on top and then lay it down, and we're going to take the next layer so that we can make sure this is in the right spot when we glue it. Okay, that's where we want the holder. And I put this little piece underneath this flower petal so that you're not going to see it when this is all put together. So next I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to go around the ornament half. We're gonna let that dry for a minute while we put glue on the back of the yellow layer. And I'm just gonna lightly go around the edge and put glue around it and on some of the flower petals. That way it will adhere to the bottom layer. Something to remember when you're taking the different layers off of your mat, be very careful. The next 3 layers after this one have more intricate details in them, and you don't want to rip them when you're taking them off of your mat. Okay, we're going to put this on top and line it up. And press down. Okay, our next layer is the blue layer. And we're going to do the same. We're going to go around the outer edge. And then put glue on the petals. The yellow layer is actually the centers of the flowers. And then the blue layer starts some of the flowers you're going to see through the top layer. Just make sure you get everything lined up. And then you can press down. Our next layer is the purple layer. You can do the blue, purple, and pink layer in any color. If you want them to be a different order, that's fine. Say you want the pink layer to be the blue layer, then you would just, when you cut it out, make sure you cut out the blue layer as pink instead of as blue. And we're going to lay this on top. And then the last layer is the pink layer. And again, I'm going to put glue around the outside and then on the solid pink flowers. You'll notice there's not as many. And then we're going to lay this one on top. Now if you'd like, you could add some pearls onto your flowers, some gemstones. You can even put some on top of your candy dome to make it a little more fancy, or put some around the edging in this center. And then as you can see, the perforations in the back. And there is your floral egg candy holder. I hope you enjoyed making the floral egg candy holder. Like I said, this is a fun, colorful project you can make for Easter. You can either put these on your table settings or even add to your Easter baskets. You can either put candy or stickers or some small treat or gift in the holder if you're not wanting to give candy. I hope you enjoyed making these and have a happy Easter.